Look, the Lord is teaching us one thing profound. He wants us not to focus on the situation, but focus on the Lord Himself. Because if you're going to focus on the situation, then you will drift away 100%, because the situation is hell, as you mentioned. So if I'm focusing on hell, how do you think I'm going to feel? I'm going to feel like hell. I'm going to think like hell. I'm going to live like hell. I'm going to walk like hell. And I'm going to treat everyone around me like hell. So don't focus on the situation, because everything will become pitch black. You're losing hope here. But focus on the one who said, I will not leave you orphans. I am with you all the days of your life and until the end of all ages. The one who promised that He's with you in the good times and the bad times, His name is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This is the true living God who was revealed in the flesh in the end of times over 2020 odd years. He's never left you. He made a promise, and since He's God, He is faithful and loyal to His promise. So hell, who cares? Enjoy hell while you can. Let me tell you one thing. The dark tunnels teach you things the light cannot, and vice versa. Don't ever think success always is healthy. It's not true. It's only a wishful thinking. It's only an imaginary thing. Failures are as good as successes.